Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and staying healthy. In today's video, I'm sharing a powerful and skin-loving DIY herbal soap recipe using natural ingredients that brighten, cleanse, and rejuvenate your skin without chemicals. This soap is packed with gram flour, turmeric, beetroot, orange peel, and more, all chosen for their beauty-boosting benefits. This soap helps to brighten your skin, reduce acne, and gently exfoliate, without any harmful chemicals. If you enjoy natural skincare and DIY remedies, please support my channel by liking this video, subscribing, and turning on the bell icon. Your support encourages me to bring more herbal beauty recipes for you. Let's start by preparing our herbal mix. Add the following ingredients one by one. Take a clean bowl and add half a tablespoon gram flour. For deep cleansing, a quarter tablespoon wild turmeric powder. Fights acne and brightens skin. Half tablespoon red lentils powder. For gentle exfoliation, half tablespoon orange peel powder. Rich in vitamin C, half tablespoon beetroot powder. Adds glow and pink tint. Half tablespoon Fuller's Earth, Multani Mitti. Detoxifies the skin, quarter tablespoon alum powder. Tightens pores, half tablespoon rice flour. Smoothens skin texture. 5 to 6 drops rosehip oil. Boosts collagen and brightens skin. 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel. Soothes and hydrates. 1/4 tablespoon almond oil. Deeply moisturizes. 1/2 tablespoon glycerin. Locks in moisture. 2.5 tablespoons of rosewater. Refreshes and cools the skin. Mix all ingredients really well to form a thick lump-free paste. Make sure it's not too oily or runny. Now, take 250 grams of soap base and cut it into small cubes. If you don't have a soap base, you can also use Pear's soap as an alternative. Next, set up a double boiler. Fill a pan with water. Place a heatproof bowl over it. Add the soap cubes into the bowl. Let them melt completely over steam, stirring gently. Once fully melted, turn off the flame and let it cool down just a little. Not too much, or it will start to harden. Now add the herbal paste we prepared earlier into the melted soap base. Mix thoroughly and make sure there are no lumps. The blend should be smooth and even. Once the mixture is ready, pour it into silicone soap molds of your choice. Tap the molds gently to remove air bubbles. Now place the molds in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours until the soap is fully set and hardened. And your beautiful, natural, chemical-free herbal soap is ready to use. This soap not only cleanses your skin, but also nourishes and rejuvenates it with every wash. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more amazing herbal skincare remedies. Thank you so much for watching. Stay glowing, stay natural.